We're back in the kitchen and you see what's about to go down. It is about to be some taco spaghetti. Back up in here. Yep, it's time to get back at it, guys. Taco spaghetti coming your way.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guys, and we be putting.
At it. Got that grass-fed beef, got some taco seasoning, we got some spaghetti, got some beef broth, we got some rotel, we got some diced tomatoes, we got some peppers, all three colors. We got that queso blanco, and you can't forget about that garlic. We got some onions here too. All right, so what are we doing, guys? We're gonna do some taco spaghettios, so you guys stay tuned, all right? See, I have a new kitchen here. Long time coming. Still making it happen. So these are the ingredients. About to get started here in a second. And yeah, we're gonna go there. So I got my pans here going. I'm gonna make a one with beef, and of course I have to make one without beef. So we're gonna roll with that, and you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, get some water boiling here. The veg is all cut up. Add this to the stove. Add a little salt to this water. A little olive oil so my noodles won't stick. Gotta have that together. Then the meat I'm choosing is a grass-fed ground beef. I got this from Walmart, like $5 and some change. So I'm gonna start with that as far as my meat base. Get it all mixed up here. I don't have a meat cruncher yet, so I'll have to get one of those. But hey, this spoon is doing the job. Alright guys, go ahead and season my ground beef, onion, some little Lowry's, pepper. I mean, just whatever you like to season your ground beef with, just like you're making tacos. Go ahead and put the pasta inside the water there. Of course, add some peppers to my meat, the yellow, the red, and of course the green and the onions as well too. Pretty simple. It's pretty easy. So just like you're making your tacos. So you just go ahead and dress the meat up like that and season it to taste, of course. Pretty easy. Go ahead and get it strained, get the oil off of it. And then I got it sitting here out the bowl, so now we're ready for the next step here. Next step, normally I would, this here I'm adding Boca burgers because I have somebody in the house that doesn't eat meat, so I'm just doing a substitute with Boca burgers. I think it turned out pretty good. So just give you guys the steps on that. So add your rotel to the meat. I did have the beef broth, but at Walmart, they had, when I opened it up, it was already open. So it's like the little foil covering was already broken. So I decided not to use it. So let's go ahead and go with the taco seasoning. Again, we just dressing the meat up, getting the taste right, getting the flavor right, and mixing it up. So what I did was I added a little that juice from the diced tomatoes. I didn't strain it. I just let that go into it without adding, just a substitute for the beef broth. So then I add a little tomato sauce to it as well too. So it won't be so dry. This is the Boca burger mix. So we're gonna do that on the side, but this, of course, on the right is the main thing. And I got a little garlic for some more flavor. And I'm gonna add my pasta. And then so mix it around. Get that meat mixture around, get that pasta blended in there, and you just do it until you get it all incorporated there. So, and that's what you see. It feels good being back in the kitchen. I pray you guys are doing well. Here I'm at my queso, my Velveeta queso, cheese there. I didn't add too much. I added just a little bit as you go, because I didn't want to be too cheesy. I wanted to still have some flavor to it. I didn't want to be too dry, but here we are, the finished product. Nice and steamy and cheesy. It's not too dry. It's not too stiff. And I'm going to bowl it up, and let's go ahead and give it a taste and see what we got here. So you guys stay tuned. more sauce on top of it, some hot sauce. I got some Taco Bell sauce, chips to the side, and boom. Some of that on there. Taste. And one other thing we can put in here is a dollop of daisy. Dollop of daisy on here. There we go. On top. All right, guys. There you go. Choco spaghetti. You can add jalapenos. You do lettuce. You can do anything you want to go on top of it. More tomatoes. Just have fun with it. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. That's delicioso. Look at that. That is really good. The steam on it. Look at that, man. Really good. Try not to make a mess. Use the nachos. You get it on there without it breaking. Go back and put some on there. This is good too. I like it with the chips. Really nice. So guys, go ahead and try this. Simple, easy recipe. And it is really good.